Just hit 10 o'clock and getting tired, but we have to mod the car on the first day. That's the goal. Buy a car, immediately mod it. In case y'all don't know, I bought a Mazda Miata. Alrighty, we finally picked up the car. Oh my God, this thing is so sick. I can't get over it, how excited I am to get home, clean this thing up, and just tear it apart. So this is my all new to me, 1999 Mazda Miata. Got this car as another project car for the channel, and I am hyped about it. It's gonna be so much fun. It does have a few things here and there that I am gonna need to work on, like the cosmetics, but just picked this car up today. I've only had it for about 4 hours, and I think it's already time to mod it. Let's do it. If you guys are new to the channel, then welcome. For all the existing people, I'm sure you know what's gonna happen first. It's a little bit of vinyl wrap. Love this stuff, it's my favorite, it's cheap. You can change the way the car looks, and we're gonna be adding this on. It's not only this, we got another mod that we're gonna be doing. Oh, the second mod. Boom, Mishimoto, huge radiator with 2 massive fans in the back. This is gonna be insane when it comes to cooling for this Miata. I know I'm gonna drive it pretty hard, and I know it's gonna get a little bit hot. So this is gonna be a very nice piece to put in the car. Hopefully it won't take me too long. I've never installed one, and I definitely have never installed one on a Miata. It can't be that hard, right? I mean, you flush out the fluid, you connect some hose lines. I mean, I think it'll be an easy job. So we're gonna get working on the wrap first, and then we're gonna throw this on. Hopefully it won't take too long. It's already like 9:30, so we're gonna see how much we get done. But day one, already doing some stuff to the car. I mean, that's just what we do here, you know? That's just what we do. All right, one thing that I wanna do before we get started on the wrap, it's been annoying me all day, it's the power antenna. Like, golly. That thing is massive. I'm so sick of it. It makes the car look kind of stupid, you know? It is kind of, actually it's kind of cool. No, it makes it look stupid. We're gonna get rid of that right now. All right, so if we take a look in the trunk, there's got to be some sort of like power thing that's hooked up to the back of the antenna, and we can just unplug it, right? Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. Inside there, you can see a tiny little clip, that white clip, that I think that's connected to the antenna, you know? It would make sense, right? So I am going to try to unclip that, see if it works. Okay. I hate these clips, dude. They're so freaking difficult. Aha! Got her. Okay, let's see if that did the trick. Key on. Aha! Just like that, boys. Just like that. All right, so I just cleaned this car, so it should be pretty straightforward when it comes to installing the wrap. If you guys haven't seen my latest video, I did a whole video about how to wrap a roof on a car, so check that out. I did that on the Corvette. Turned out fantastic. Today we're gonna be doing the similar thing. It's super easy. All you have to have is a knife, credit card, and then, I mean, that's pretty much it, some wrap. So we're gonna be doing that on the front of this car, just this part, because I don't have enough wrap to do the whole entire roof. I gotta order some more. So we're gonna be doing the front part. I wanna see how it looks. I'm kind of curious to if it makes it a little bit more aggressive. So let's clean it off, make sure it's nice and clean, just a little bit more, and then we'll start putting on the wrap. Just hit 10 o'clock and getting tired, but we have to mod the car on the first day. That's the goal. Buy a car, immediately mod it. So we don't have that much work to do. I have two kinds, 2-inch strip and then that little piece. And that little piece is not gonna cut it. I thought I honestly had a lot more than that. So we're gonna try to work something out because again, I gotta get this done today. I gotta mod the car today. So we're gonna have to figure out something. Okay, so I got a plan. I think so. If I lay this crooked on an angle just like this, I have just enough on both sides to barely reach. If I do that, the top portion is going to be complete. I have 2 rolls of 2-inch, which I'm going to be putting on the front of the car to match right here. So 1 strip here, 1 strip on the other side, that one big piece across the top. I think we might just have enough to actually do this. Just like that. In about 2 minutes, this side is wrapped up. Now we're gonna trim it. We'll do the other one on the other side and then we'll wrap the top. I think this is gonna look like pretty good, honestly. All right, the first piece is down. It's looking pretty good, honestly. This wrap always looks nice. The one thing I'm worried about is the seam that's gonna be right here. I'm not too sure how that's gonna look. We're gonna have to have a nice clean cut off this big sheet off the top. So hopefully this doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna wrap the roof anyways. Once I prep it and like figure out what I wanna do, we're gonna be changing this anyways. I mean, this is because I wanna mod it the first day I get it. So it's, what time is it? It is now 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock and I've done one side. So this might be a long night. And I got my homie, he's coming over right now and I gotta help him install a sub. So we're gonna see how much we can get done in the quickest amount of time possible. 11:17 and we got the other side done. That just shows you like once you start working on a car. Okay, Siri, thank you. That just shows you when you start working on a car and like figuring out how it works, makes it a little bit easier. So finally figured out how all the gaskets work and like how much space to leave over the gasket so I can tuck it underneath so you don't see any red. Anyway, so both sides are done now. Now we just have to do the top. I think it's already looking a little bit more aggressive. I think it's looking good. I think the full wrap is gonna look pretty nice. We got all the gaskets nice and tucked up underneath there. They're looking real spicy. Everything down there nice and wrapped up real neat. You know what I mean? So this is looking nice. We just got one more piece right up at the top and then we're golden. Officially modded the car on day 1. We still got a little bit of time, about 11:20. My boy's on his way. I want to get done before he shows up. He's going to be here in like 30 minutes. So I need to get this done in about 30 minutes and then game over. Black front is officially done. It's 11:47. My homie's 2 minutes away, literally pulling up to the spot right now. Couldn't be better timing, but this thing looks absolutely incredible. I mean, I dig the look of it. Just a little, check it out a little bit. Just the front makes it just that much more aggressive. You can't really tell. You can't really tell when it's in the garage, so let's skip forward to tomorrow just to give you guys a little bit of it. guys think? Do you like it? Because I think it looks pretty good. We still got the radiator to put on. We still got some tint to put on too. So that's probably what's going to be the next video. If you want to see a little bit more detailed wrap on how to wrap a roof of your car, be sure to check this video right here. Did it on the Corvette. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.